Every financial advisor, every article, every retirement calculator tells you the same thing. You need $2 million to retire. And if you're over 50 and nowhere near that number, you probably feel like you've already lost the game. But here's what nobody in the financial industry wants to tell you. That $2 million target, it's not your number. It's a made-up average based on someone else's lifestyle, someone else's expenses, and someone else's retirement dreams. The amount you actually need to retire comfortably could be significantly less, sometimes half that amount, once you learn how to calculate your real number. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Welcome back to Silver Compass, Legacy Planning. I'm Renato, and if you're new here, this channel is all about bringing financial clarity to anyone building a stronger future after 40. Now, I want to be upfront with you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to pretend to be one. What I am is someone who spent 30 years in the corporate world, managed budgets, dealt with real financial decisions, and recently found myself asking the same questions you're probably asking. Do I actually have enough? Am I behind? Is it too late? So I did what any obsessive researcher would do. I dug in, I read the studies, I ran the numbers, and what I found genuinely surprised me. Let me share what I learned, and more importantly, give you actionable steps you can take this week to get clarity on your retirement number. Section 1. Why the 2 million number is wrong. So where does this magical $2 million number come from? It's based on something called the 4% rule. Here's how it works. Financial planners assume you'll withdraw 4% of your savings each year in retirement. If you want $80,000 per year to live on, you need $2 million. $2 million by 4% equals $80,000 per year. Sounds logical, right? But here's the problem. That calculation makes three massive assumptions about your life. Assumption 1, you need $80,000 per year to live comfortably. But do you? If you live in Panama City instead of San Francisco, if your house is paid off, if you're not commuting to work every day, your expenses could be dramatically lower. Assumption 2, you have zero other income sources. This ignores Social Security, any pension you might have, rental income, part-time work, or a spouse's income. Most retirees don't live on savings alone. Assumption 3, you need your money to last 30+ years starting at 65. But what if you plan to work part-time until 70? What if you have a phased retirement? The timeline changes everything. The $2 million target is a one-size-fits-all answer to a deeply personal question. Your number depends on your life. Section 2, the real formula. So let's build your number from scratch. This is simpler than you think. Step 1, calculate your annual retirement expenses, not what some chart says you need. What you actually spend. Here's a quick way to estimate. Take your current annual spending and subtract the expenses that disappear in retirement. Commuting costs? Gone. Work clothes? Gone. That daily $6 coffee before meetings? Probably reduced. Mortgage payment? Hopefully gone or much lower. Then add expenses that might increase. Healthcare, this is the big one. Travel and hobbies. Helping family. For most people, retirement expenses are actually 80% of their working life expenses, not 100%. Step 2, calculate your guaranteed income. This is money coming in whether you work or not. Social Security, you can estimate this at ssa.gov. Any pension, rental income, annuities. Step 3, calculate your income gap. Take your annual retirement expenses minus your guaranteed income. Annual expenses minus guaranteed income is equal to your income gap. This is the amount your savings need to cover each year. Step 4, multiply your gap by 25. This uses the 4% rule in reverse. If you need to withdraw 4% per year, you need 25 times your annual gap saved. Income gap by 25 equals your retirement number. Section 3. Real examples. Let me show you how dramatically different this number can be for different people. Example 1. Maria, 52, lives modestly. Maria estimates her retirement expenses at $40,000 per year. She lives in a paid-off home in a lower cost of living area. She expects $22,000 per year from Social Security. Her income gap, $40,000 minus $22,000 equals $18,000 per year. Her retirement number, $18,000 by 25 equals $450,000, not $2 million. $450,000. Example 2. David, 55, lives comfortably. David wants $70,000 per year in retirement. He expects $28,000 from Social Security and $12,000 from a small pension. His income gap, $70,000 minus $40,000 equals $30,000 per year. His retirement number, $30,000 by 25 equals $750,000, still not $2 million. Example 3. When do you need $2 million? You need $2 million if you want to spend $100,000 plus per year. You have minimal Social Security. You live in an expensive city. You want to leave a large inheritance that describes some people. But not everyone. And probably not you. The point is, your number is based on your life choices, not a scary headline designed to make you feel behind. Section 4. Actionable steps. Now here's the part that actually matters. What you can do with this information. I want to give you 5 concrete actions you can take this week to improve your retirement position. Not someday. This week. Action 1. Track your real spending for 30 days. You cannot plan for retirement if you don't know what you actually spend. Download a free app. I use a simple spreadsheet myself and track everything for 1 month. The number will probably surprise you. Time required, 5 minutes per day. Action 2. Create your My Social Security account. Go to ssa.gov and create your free account. You'll see exactly what you're projected to receive at 62, at 67, and at 70. This is your money. Know the number. Time required, 15 minutes. Action 3. Calculate your personal income gap using the formula I just showed you. Annual expenses minus guaranteed income equals your gap. Your gap by 25 equals your retirement number. Write it down. Pin it somewhere visible. This is your target, not someone else's. Time required, 20 minutes. Action 4. Identify 3 expenses you can reduce. Look at your spending and find 3 monthly costs you can reduce or eliminate. Subscriptions you forgot about. Insurance you can renegotiate. Services you don't use. The average person over 50 wastes $200, $400 per month on things they don't value. That's money that could be going toward your gap. Time required, 30 minutes. Action 5. Increase automatic savings by 1%. If you have a 401k or IRA, increase your automatic contribution by just 1%. 1%. You won't miss it in your paycheck, but over time, it compounds dramatically. If you're over 50, you can make catch-up contributions. Extra money above the normal limits. Take advantage of this. Time required, 10 minutes, 5 actions, all doable this week. All moving you closer to your number, not some made-up target that doesn't apply to your life. Section 5, the mindset shift. Now I want to leave you with something important. The financial industry benefits from making you feel scared. Scared people buy products. Scared people pay for advice. Scared people make emotional decisions. But here's what I've realized in my own journey. The antidote to fear is not more fear. It's clarity. When you know your actual number, not some generic target, you can make a real plan. You can see the gap. You can close the gap. You can stop feeling like you're in a race you've already lost. And here's the truth. Nobody tells you about your 40s and 50s. These are your power years. You have experience. You have focus. You probably have higher earning potential than you did at 25. And you have something even more valuable. You know what actually matters to you. Use that wisdom. Calculate your number. Take action on your terms. The strongest chapter of your financial life isn't behind you. It's ahead of you. If this helped you think differently about retirement, hit that subscribe button and join the Silver Compass community. We talk about money, planning, and building a legacy after 40, without the jargon, without the fear-mongering. And if you found this valuable, Share it with someone in your life who's also stressing about that $2 million number. They need to hear this too. This is Silver Compass, Legacy Planning. See you in the next one.